Hey, got a new vehicle added to my addition. First thing I want to say is that my boosted rev, my friend crashed it, so had to get rid of it. And now I got this, and I had the City Scrambler, but I sold it, and I'm waiting on the Super 73 RX. But let's talk about this scooter real quick. It can do about 40 miles per hour, 78 pounds. It's not the Lightning Plus, it's the regular Lightning. It has regen with hydraulic disc brakes. It has front and rear suspension, don't know if you see it. And the range ain't too bad with me on it. I mean, I'm not doing 30 or 40 miles per hour. I'm doing more like 15 to 20. And the range is very good. As you can see, only lost one battery. The voltmeter. I'm very impressed with this scooter. Only thing I would say is this clamp. I ordered another clamp. I'm gonna see if that helps, but the stem flexes. What else can I say about it? That's it. The only mod I'm gonna do to this is get air suspension. I'm thinking about it for the front and back. But let's see how this holds up. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I just wanted to add another update. I wanted y'all to get a look at how it looks in the dark, pitch black pretty much. The lights is not that good. I would suggest getting some lights up on the top deck. Not on the deck, on the top handlebar. And yeah.